the birds of Harvest Island. I'm so very glad you asked. We still have noddies, great and small. We still have boobies who are masked. We still have giant and phoenix patrols. We still have white and sooty turns. And there is wandering tattler. But I think he's the last. We are the birds of Harvest Island. And our numbers now are few. Our forests were small, the trees were cut, none left to replant and renew. Harvest Island was for seabirds, once a fertile paradise, but it gave a home to settlers who were greedy and unwise, harvesting the island's bounty. They made the forest's vacant lots. As for the birds of Harvest Island, they put them in their cooking pots.